One example to go over. Since it's at the top of the screen, I'll remind you guys again. There is no difference between growth and decay as far as the work that you do. It's just whether the coefficient in front of the t ends up positive or negative. So that will usually come out in the problem. It's not like something you kind of have to deal with. You don't have to artificially make something negative. Okay. The last problem that we have to do is definitely not a hard one. It kind of just fits in that category of another thing that you have to remember. It should kind of make sense as you go through it. So number 6 says a population y grows according to the equation dy dt equals ky. The idea with this is as soon as you see this differential equation, you have identified that this is exponential growth. Or if the problem is about half-lives, it would be exponential decay. So I'll just write it as exponential, which means that you know that the solution to this is y equals capital C e to the kt. You know that. You don't have to solve it. You don't have to figure it out. So they want us to find the value of k if the population doubles every 7 years. The way that you do this, it's actually relatively simple. We are going to take a look at y of 0, and we're going to take a look at y of 7. And since the population doubles, I have to put a 2 in front of y0 in order to set it equal to y of 7. That pretty much matches the sentence. The population is doubled. The population at year 7 is twice the population at year 0. So from there, what we're going to do is we're just going to plug those into C e to the kt, and we end up with 2C e to the 0 equals 2 C e to the, no 2, thank you. Yep, you're right. C e to the 7t. Not 70, but 7t. Probably better to put the k there since that's the correct variable. Thank you. All right. Let's see how many mistakes I can make on a simple problem. All right. Sometimes they'll give you that c value. Other times they won't. It doesn't matter because you're going to divide both sides by c, or the number that they gave you. That's why it doesn't matter. To end up with 2 equals e to the 7k. Which is then going to give you, if you take the ln of both sides, the ln of 2 equals 7k, or the answer to this question, k equals ln 2 over 7. We've done what they've asked. We found k. And we are done with the notes for the day. 3 minutes and 18 seconds into them. Yeah. It's the last video of the year. Wow. Remember limits right now.